Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any app icon size bigger than the default size in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen, right? So you can see the default size of my respective iPhone, right? So in order to make the icon size look bigger than the default size, what you need to do is just open the settings app and just scroll down below, and you will see here one option written display and brightness. Just tap on it, and now just scroll down below, and at the bottom you will get one option display zoom, and just below to it you will get an option view. Just tap on it. Now by default you will see here on the right side is the default one, right? And on the left side you will see a larger text, right? So you need to just select this larger text, just select it, and on the above you will see a done option. Just tap on it. Now you will get a message asking you want to use zoomed. Just select this, click on this, use zoom. Now you can see here the text is appearing bigger in size, right? So let us minimize this. Now you can see here the icons as well as the text has become bigger in size than the normal default size, right? So if you want to restore it back, just go back to the same options by going to the display and brightness and click on this view option, and just select the default option, and on the above just click on done, click on use standard. Now it has been restored to the default size, so let us minimize it. Now you can see the default app icon size. So using this method you can easily make any app icon size bigger than the default size in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about this option available in your respective iPhone or iPad devices, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.